So guys, in today's video, we've just installed this Underglow kit on this Vauxhall Corsa D, and here's how it went. So guys, this is what we're going to do. We've got this wire, and we've got our negative and positive, and we've also got our main, which is going to connect into the box. I've taped them up after soldering them. Happy day. I've quickly came inside now with these wires, and what I'm going to do, as you guys can see here with these are what's going to connect to the battery. And then these wires I'm going to solder to this connection by here, well, onto these wires here, onto this red and negative, or positive and negative, and then that's what is going to connect to the box. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to solder these two to these two, well, these two to these two, and then hopefully then I'll be able to connect this to the battery instead of having a great big cigarette lighter thing in the center. So let's get into it. Connect the box to what we're doing, just so we can see what we're doing with the lights, because I learned my lesson from doing the interior lights and I don't want to break them. So let's crack on. So here's our module. This is what we're going to be connecting to. We've got light, okay. So, what we're now going to do, just because I don't want to drain the battery, turn that off. And now we're going to try and see what we can do with all this. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these wires off. I'm so nervous about this. No. Oh, okay. Okay, so let's just stretch these out. Okay, so we got our fronts, our sides. What we're going to do, guys, we're going to lay this out on the floor, just so we can try and get a solid understanding of what we got. So we take these up for now. We know we got wires. So guys, just like this, I have now just, once the focus is, okay, we got no focus here. So as you guys can probably tell, I have just cleaned up the back axle here. I'm going to put these lights on first. I've brought the wire up and over the axle. I'm hoping that's going to do a decent job, and then I'll sort out all the wire management afterwards. For now, I'm just going to try my best to get all these lights connected. I can't actually get this back one on the bumper. That is mainly due to the wire not being long enough, and I haven't got a long enough cable now to actually resolder that together, so I'm just going to call it quits and just connect it to the axle. So let's just see how this turns out, guys. So without further ado, let's get cleaning and let's get sticking. So just like so, I'm trying now to peel off this redness on the back. And then we're going to hopefully stick this to the underneath. So peel that about halfway for now. Then we're gonna go center. Whoa, that's gonna be mad long, this. Can I move this back a bit more? I'm gonna try my best, guys. Oh, actually, because I know this isn't gonna be very sticky. Should we get some more? Where's the double-sided tape to? I know what it is. So, guys, at the minute, I'm just trying to use some double-sided tape to get it to where I need it. And this is a massive faff on your own. So I don't recommend doing it on your own, guys. I really don't. Now I've got the other part, and I've got to try and somehow unpeel this double-sided tape. So with a massive faff, guys, I finally got this one up and across here like so. And I've got to be honest, it was a nightmare, but I put double-sided tape up on there now, and then I've re-put that then onto the double-sided tape, and then we've got a lot of cable management to take care of now. So let's go with number 2, as in the front, and then we've got the 2 sides to do. It should be a lot more easier, but I don't even have a clue what I'm going to do about all these cables yet, but we'll soon find out, right? Whew! Maybe this was going to be so hard after all. It's okay.
Don't be nosy. Come on, that way. No. Whenever there's people on the floor, I got 3 kids and he thinks it's like playtime. Go on, go. No, 2, we're going this way. Oh my God. Come here.
Oh.
So naughty.
Oh. Our little mascot.
Yeah.
Right, we got that one here. So, leave that under there for now. There we go. Whoop. I'll have to get that in a second. Can you pull that off me? Pull this from me. Grab that side. Oh, look at that, nice and conducting. So, if I get this up on to here, like so, then we're going to have this here, and run it on here. And then we're going to let go of that and back up. Like so. Like that. Ta-da! Right. Is that window? Onto the sides. Let's go. So guys, just like before, rinse and repeat, spray, clean, duct tape, I mean double-sided tape, and then install. And jobs are good. Job done. So just like that, all the Underglow is now installed. Now we're gonna try and sort these bird nest of wires out, like real quick. So let's see what I can do. So guys, just like that, I've finally got the Underglow all installed. I'm covered in oil. I'm not too happy about that. I'm currently on my way home. That was a nightmare. I'm actually got, well, it's now 3:30 in the afternoon. I haven't slept. I've been in work all night last night, came straight home, soldered those wires together, went out then at 12 o'clock, just got these done now in 3.5 hours, just got all the wires all sorted out, all tidied up. So I think it's time now to cue the edit, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget, if I can do it, so can you. Of course you got it. Peace.